So I just unboxed the Rock and Roller electric dethatcher and scarifier, and just kind of wanted to show you what it looks like coming out of the box and how you're going to put it together. I'm also going to do a separate video on testing this thing out and using it for the first time. Assembled it yet, obviously, but it doesn't look too intimidating. You got a couple of bags here of parts as far as holding it together, bolts and things like that, instructions. This main piece all comes together. It's actually not that heavy. I'm picking it up with one hand. Attaches to your handle here because the electrical cord is connecting all that together. This was in its own separate box here, so you got some handles. I'm assuming these are for the side handles, and this is going to be the main top handle you're going to hold on to, and then your bag, which is going to catch the thatch. Overall, I mean, as far as quality goes, this does look like a primarily plastic build. I don't think that's necessarily a terrible thing. I think on a machine like this, it's not something you're using weekly like a lawnmower or something like that. So it's something that, you know, might get out once a year to dethatch a lawn. So overall, I like what I'm seeing. Let me get this thing put together, and then I'll make another video where I'm demonstrating using it, and we'll see how well this thing performs.